What's up, beautiful people? Welcome and welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. I go by the name Kelvin, and in other accounts are here on YouTube, also in Instagram and in TikTok. We go by the same name, All Things With Us. So you can just follow us in our TikTok or our Instagram, because we normally post other items there that we don't post on YouTube, so you can check out more of our work. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did transform these two beds in one video. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that we can fully understand all the steps, materials that I've used in this DIY today. Also, you can learn one or two from us. So for the first bed, as you can see, I had to make this new frame because the bed was kind of box bed and it was very low. So I had to make this frame, and my client wanted a unique design for the headboard, and that is what you see me trying to do there. You can see that I've made some levels on the headboard, but you will see, or it will make sense as you continue to watch the video. After making the frame, I usually attach the plywood, that is a 3mm plywood. Then I draw my pattern using a drill. I did make those holes using the drill, and then after that I'm going to be attaching a foam on it using contact glue. Yeah, I usually use contact glue to attach the foam on this surface or any surface that I'm working on. And for the foam, you can use a 2-inch, 3-inch or 4-inch according to your desire. Yeah, and then after that you do the design. Anyway, if you're new here, I really do appreciate you. Welcome and welcome to our channel. I'm glad you are here, and I'm sure you are going to be learning many things in our channel, because we do a variety of DIYs, makeover, transformation, among others. You can just revisit our channel, watch more of our content, and I will really do appreciate that. Anyway, watch the video till the end. Make sure to tell me in the comment section what you think about these ideas that I'm sharing with you. And don't forget to leave a comment and a like. Yeah, thank you so much. Now after seeing the first design, this is how the second before looked like. The before, how the bed was looking. It was a painted bed. As you can see, this was the design, and I'm going to be also transforming it. And then at the end of the video, after watching this second design, make sure to tell me in the comment section which one was your favorite, or which one you would like to do or try. Yeah, tell me in the comment, and like the video. So if you have watched the video till this far, don't forget to like it. Yeah, share with your friends and family. And for the tools, I usually use this circular saw to cut all the pieces of wood that I used during this process. And for the bed transformation, it will always take me a whole day, that is to transform one bed. So if I start around 8 or 9 a.m. in the morning, by 4 or 5 p.m. in the evening, I'll be done with your bed and leave you with enough time to arrange or to rearrange the room, do some cleaning. So now after cutting the tops of the headboard, and making the side for the legs, as you can see, I'm showing you how I usually frame these beds. I'm going to be attaching the new adjustment layer, and I'm going to be showing you. After that, I will just follow the same process as the first design, attach the plywood and then attach the foam using contact glue, make the holes for the design, and then start the tufting process. So kindly watch the video till the end. Also visit our channel because we have a variety of videos that we have already uploaded, and I'm sure many of them will satisfy you or will teach you one or two. Anyway, see you in my next videos. Thank you for watching.